So before I talk about the new 2402 LTSR, the first thing to state is that if you're still on the 1912 LTSR, that is going end of life on December 18, 2024, and you should start to plan your upgrade now. An important call out is that the 1912 LTSR is the last LTSR version to support Windows Server OS 2012 R2. And another key consideration to take into account is around Microsoft SQL versioning. The 1912 LTSR is the last version to support SQL 2008 R2, 2012 and 2014. So if you're using one of these versions of SQL, you should start to plan your migration now. With the new LTSR, lots of new features and improvements in it. One that's very interesting is the support for TLS 1.3. This means if the operating system on your client device and the session host support it, you can now use LTS 1.3 to secure HTX traffic. The new LTSR comes with support for the AV1 video codec for enhanced graphics, along with improved congestion and image quality when compared to the H.264 and 265 protocols. This can deliver superior image quality without increasing your bandwidth utilization. One of the challenges with graphics and codecs is often which one to use. The LTSR now has automatic video codec selection. This will be enabled by default, so you get the added benefits of the additional codecs without having to do anything. Another great graphical feature is the virtual display layout configuration UI, and this allows you to split each session monitor independently into multiple virtual monitors. You can split a total of 8 virtual monitors on the remote desktop. To use this feature, you must have the graphic status indicator enabled on your session. The Enlightened Data Transport Protocol comes with a significant enhancement in the new LTSR release in the form of an improved congestion control algorithm. This provides for a better user experience with improved responsiveness, higher frame rates, throughput, and increased bulk transfer rates. There are also improvements in EDT lossy, which means that audio and video will continue to be performative when you're undergoing challenging network conditions. One that I really like is that Web Studio is now available with the 2402 LTSR release. This allows administrators to have the same interface experience that is available with Citrix DAS, and you can allow management of both on-prem and cloud workloads from the same console for true hybrid management. This builds on the commitment from Citrix to bring feature parity between the on-premise and cloud experience. And in the same vein, Autoscale is now available for on-prem workloads. When Autoscale was first introduced, it was primarily aimed towards controlling the costs of running workloads in a public cloud setting. However, running workloads on-premise comes with a cost also, so administrators now have the ability to power manage the on-premise workloads in the same manner as public cloud, reducing the overall power consumption and decreasing costs.